Fear is a complex emotion that can have a powerful impact on our bodies and minds. It can be triggered by a wide range of stimuli, from the sight of a spider to the thought of public speaking. Regardless of what causes our fear, our bodies respond to it in a very specific way. To understand how our bodies respond to fear, we need to take a closer look at the brain. The amygdala, a small almond-shaped structure located deep within the brain, plays a key role in the processing of fear. When we perceive a threat, the amygdala sends a signal to the hypothalamus, which activates the sympathetic nervous system, triggering the fight or flight response. This response is designed to prepare our bodies to either fight or run away from danger. It causes our heart rate and breathing to increase, our muscles to tense up, and our senses to become more alert. This response is automatic and can happen in a matter of seconds, even before we are consciously aware of the threat. But what happens when the perceived threat is not actually dangerous? In situations where the fear response is triggered unnecessarily, it can lead to anxiety and even panic attacks. This is why it's important to understand how our brains process fear, so we can learn to manage it in a healthy way. Research has shown that our brains are wired to prioritize the processing of negative stimuli, such as fearful or threatening images, over positive stimuli. This can lead to a phenomenon known as the negativity bias, where we tend to focus more on negative experiences than positive ones. One way to manage our fear response is through cognitive reappraisal, which involves changing the way we think about a situation in order to reduce the intensity of our emotional response. For example, if we are afraid of public speaking, we can reframe the situation as an opportunity to share our knowledge and connect with others, rather than a threat to our social status. Another technique for managing fear is exposure therapy, which involves gradually exposing ourselves to the object or situation that triggers our fear, while practicing relaxation techniques to reduce our emotional response. Over time, this can help us to become desensitized to the fear-inducing stimuli and reduce our anxiety. By exploring the science behind our fight or flight response, we can gain a deeper understanding of how fear affects our bodies and minds. By learning to manage our fear response, we can improve our overall well-being and lead happier, more fulfilling lives. So the next time you feel afraid, remember that your brain is designed to keep you safe, and there are strategies you can use to manage your fear and live a more fulfilling life. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.